digital signage for professionals.
Hello and welcome to another sign-on tutorial. In this tutorial we'll go through how to update your dealer page. If you haven't received your dealer login, please provide the information shown here. We'll send you an email with your login credentials. So in this menu, to access your dealer page and the Husqvarna Care page, press Dealer. Here you will see the name and the description of your account and the address. To update your dealer page, press Dealer Page. This is a preview of what the dealer page will look like before you publish it on the screen. The finished layout will be published to the About This Store section on the interactive screen. To update your dealer page, you have access to this form over here. It's a space for your logo that you can upload by just clicking on it. And then choose your logo. We recommend JPEG and PNG images. So then you can see here that the preview is updated with the company logo. And if you want to change it, you can just click on it again and then choose another image. And here are spaces for Husqvarna campaign products, and then write a selling text for it. If you enter text, it will be automatically updated here. And here is a place for you to write a welcoming headline to your store. For example, "Welcome to Leaf Pro," if that is your store name. Another here is for this section, where you can write the tagline for your store. You can also write social media tags. And here is additional focus images. It could be images of your staff, for example. If we click here, we can choose the staff image instead, and it will pop up here. When you're happy with your dealer page, just press Save and then Publish. The updated dealer page will pop up on the in-store kiosk in a few seconds. Next, how to update your service plan. And all of this that is written here will be outputted to the Husqvarna service icon on the screen. This is a space to show what kind of products that you offer services on, and also what the service price will be. First, click on the serviceable products area, and this will get you a choices of products to choose from. So if we offer service on walk-behind mowers and riders and riding lawnmowers, I will choose these three from the list, and then I will also have to write a price. And then the choices that I've made will pop up here. And all of this that is visible here will be outputted to the screen when I'm done and I've pressed Publish. Here you can also write the hourly labor rate and the cost for troubleshooting, diagnosis. These values will be outputted to the lower part of the screen. And when you're done with the service plan, press Publish Service Plan. You'll get a confirmation window, and then you click Yes, Publish. And then you get a confirmation that the dealer service plan is published. New updates will be released over time, so log in to your dealer page frequently to get the latest information.